How's it going, my camping friends? In this video, I'm gonna clean this awning, which my awning is really bad. And I'm gonna use what a lot of people are suggesting to use, Awesome. And I bought this at the Dollar Tree for $1, very cheap. And I'm also gonna try some bleach and Dawn. And before we start anything, I wanna go over some safety things. Make sure you wear some eye protection. Be careful on your ladders when they get wet. They could be very slippery. Make sure you wear some old clothes, maybe some long sleeve, maybe a long sleeve shirt in case you're really sensitive to like bleach or this cleaner. All right, that's about it. Well, now how I'm gonna clean this. Can you see me? I'm gonna mix up 2 different cleaners and I'm gonna put them in a sprayer. So first I'm gonna try to clean half of this. Let me take this off so you can take me a little more serious. That's a little bit of a joke. I got some other eye protection. Unless you want to wear that. But I'm going to mix up one batch and clean half of my awning. And then I'm going to mix up the other half and clean the other half of the awning. Just to see if this is any easier or if they both do this about the same. And what I'm going to be using to scrub my awning with is a magic eraser mop. And I'll put all this down in the description, this magic eraser mop. You don't need to buy the mop handle if you have one. Mine's a little big, but I think it should still work. Or you can use just a soft bristle, how do you say that? Bristle? Soft bristle brush like you would use to clean your car off with. Or I use this on the roof in my video when I was cleaning the roof. I think I'm gonna try this first. If this works, I'm just gonna keep using this. Oh, and another thing I wanna say is thank you very much to all my new subscribers that have been watching my videos. And thank you very much for the ones that are putting comments down below on YouTube. That really helps me out a lot on YouTube. Put a comment down there, let me know if I'm doing a good job or give me a thumbs up. All right, let's get to cleaning. All right, the first thing I'm gonna try is the Awesome. And this is how bad mine looks. It definitely looks, I don't know if I rolled this thing up wet last year and forgot about it or what. So, good thing is you're gonna see how good these 2 cleaners work. So, that's what we look like before we start. Now I'm gonna do this Awesome and I'm gonna roll it up for about 4 minutes and then unroll it and clean it. So, let me mix that up and start. All right, I got the Awesome mixed up. I'm gonna try to spray this hopefully as even as I can on the underside and maybe a little bit on top, and then I'm going to roll this up and try not to get it on my camper. Oh yeah, that's easy. Oh, I don't have my fancy glasses on. See if I put a little on top. I don't think the top's too bad. Oh, not really. I'll put a little up here. Spot right there. All right, I'm gonna roll that up. And then let it sit for 4 minutes. While I'm waiting for that 4 minutes, I'm gonna spray the side of my camper down in case I got anything on there. Probably wouldn't hurt to spray your side of your camper before you even spray it. All right, 4 minutes is about up. Let's open that up. I'm gonna take and spray a little bit more on there and then try to scrub some off. Try to do this in little sections. Okay. I've never used these magic eraser mops, so I think I'm gonna get it wet. See what happens. I think my awning's gonna keep going up on me. So far, I think it's working. Oh yeah. Move this out of the way. Wow, this is way easier than that stuff that I bought from Walmart. Look at that. I don't know if the bleach and Dawn is going to work this good, but I don't even know if I need this ladder. Oh yeah, you definitely want to have some glasses on. Them goggles maybe not even that bad of an idea. Even though they look goofy. That is way cleaner. Look at that so far. And this is that awesome. That is nice. Let me keep cleaning here. I don't want it to dry on there. I wouldn't want to do this when it's really hot out. I think it's about 55 degrees today. Get this up here. You want to try to keep your mouth shut. I'm going to spray some of that off. I'm going to go up to this window and I'll do the rest with that bleach. Let you see what this looks like. I think I'm getting out of shape. So what do you guys think of any of my other videos? Can you please put a comment down there? Tell me if I'm doing okay in these videos. I'm trying to make these as easy as I can. Hopefully help out some of you guys that have been doing this for a long time, and definitely help some of you guys that have never done this. So this is the first time I've used this stuff though. This stuff's great. I think you just gotta make sure you really rinse it off good. Even with bleach, same thing. See how easy that's coming off? I don't like getting right under it. I almost want to keep going. I want to show you guys what the Dawn and bleach looks like, so it'll take me twice as long, but you see that stuff, Patrick? You better put a comment down below, Patrick, if you think this is good. All right, I'm gonna go in and mix up my Dawn and bleach. And at the end of this, I'll let you know how much Awesome I used to how much hot water, and I'll let you know how much bleach and Dawn I used to hot water. And then I'll show you the exact Awesome I bought, because like I said, there's like 6 different ones when you go to the Dollar Tree. At least a Dollar Tree around here there was. All right, now I'm gonna try with this other half. I'm gonna use bleach and Dawn. Like I said, I'll let you know what the ratios were at the end here, along with another couple tips to when I go camping. I'm gonna do the same thing, spray this down, wait 4 minutes, or roll it up, wait 4 minutes, and then scrub it. How does my video sound too? I got this fancy new mic. It's a Rode Wireless Go. 4 minutes. Let me spray the side of my camper down again. While we're waiting for that 4 minutes, one thing that I got since I bought this camper are these. These are Anderson levelers. You guys need to get some of these. I just used these for the first time the other day, and they make leveling your camper out when you pull into a campground awesome. Almost just like that Awesome cleaner. But these aren't called Awesome. I'll put a set of these down in the description also, in case you'd want to find these and buy these. All right, that 4 minutes is up. Let's open this up. I'm going to spray it down again a little bit and then scrub. I don't know if it's the cleaners or that magic eraser mop. Maybe a little bit of both. Just put a little bit more down. That's how I did the other one. Did I get shorter or what? I swear that's up there farther. Yeah, I don't know, that bleach is, I think I like the Awesome a little bit better so far. If you don't feel like going and spending $1, you can use bleach and Dawn. Let me spray some of that off. Let me clean the rest. There. Yeah, make sure you wear old clothes. Keep your mouth shut. Just a little bit more up there. I definitely think the Awesome works a little bit more awesome. I think I'm gonna go fill that sucker back up with Awesome and touch this up. Now same thing with this like I did on my roof. I'm probably not gonna put no UV protectant on it because my camper is under a roof at my house 90% of the time other than my weekend camping. So I'll put something down in the description that you could use for a UV protectant. And all you do normally is spray that stuff on and take like a Swiffer mop like you would use in your house and just put an old rag on there and wipe it on. Pretty simple. All right, I'm gonna spray this down. All right, I'm gonna do a little touching up right up in this area and then a couple other spots. So I put some gloves on because I'm gonna just use the small magic eraser. I just want to show you how simple this stuff comes off with this. It's awesome. Look at that. And this, the eraser, it might be Lot the eraser. All right, that's it. I'm pretty much finished. This is the after. I would say they both work, but I think the awesome works definitely better. I still got these little like kind of reddish brown spots up there. It may have been there since I've owned this camper. The first thing I used to clean with was awesome, and it was the yellow kind, and it says all-purpose concentrated cleaner on it. I used 2 cups of this to 1 gallon of hot water. And then the second thing I used to clean my awning with was 2 tablespoons of bleach and 2 tablespoons of Dawn to 1 gallon of hot water. All right, thank you very much for watching my video, and my couple tips are, I like to take a blower with me when I go camping. So at the end of the weekend, when you have limbs and all kinds of leaves all over your awning, or even if you want to blow the top of your camper off, but I only do my awning because when you don't want to roll it up with all them leaves in it, you can blow it off real easy with this. And I would say to try to roll your awning up dry. If you have to roll it up wet, when you get home, open it back up when it dries or when it quits raining. I guess those are my only 2 tips. If you have any other tips to help and keep this thing clean, put them down in the comments. Please give my video a thumbs up, and please leave a comment down below. It really helps out so my videos get out, more people will watch my videos. Thank you very much. God bless and happy camping.